Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2019 Mazda CX-3, stock number 6060. This ran from the 8th 2018 to the current shape. It has a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front mirror, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 18-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front mirror, right front headlight, right front guard no dents, right front 18-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,